All right, with everything built out, the last thing I want to be able to do is to save this or export it as a PDF so that you can turn it in. There are some different ways you can share your files, and we're going to get into those in a little bit in future episodes. But what I want to do for this one is to go up to File and down to Export the Frames as a PDF. What this is going to do is treat every frame that we've created as a separate page. Now we can keep it just the default, the same as the profile. Quality can be medium, totally fine. When you click Export, it's going to ask where do you want to save it to. Do make sure to put your name on it so I know whose is whose. And I've got mine on my desktop. We'll hit Save. And in just a few moments, I should now have a PDF ready to go on my desktop. Right now, I've only got one page designed, which is totally fine. That's what I want to see for this lesson when you turn it in. For the remainder of the project, this unit, I want you to be able to build out wireframes for the rest of your app. So that's what we're going to cover. So in the meantime, once you've finished up this lesson, save up your PDF and upload that to the Canvas page.